It's time you had the power to do more. Introducing the revolutionary, all-new, all-electric Ranger XP Kinetic. For the very first time in the history of side-by-side utility, electric actually means more capable. XP Kinetic's advanced electric drivetrain generates instant torque, an industry-leading 140 pound-feet of it. It lets you effortlessly tow up to 2,500 pounds and delivers incredibly precise control at low speeds. XP Kinetic also has the highest horsepower ever found in a utility side-by-side, and the capability to translate that power directly into productivity. Fill the box all the way up to its astounding 1,250 pound capacity, and XP Kinetic easily hauls the massive load. You make fewer trips and get more done in less time. And because it's a Ranger, XP Kinetic goes anywhere the job takes you, with the ground clearance and suspension travel you'd expect from the off-road utility leader. Just like you, XP Kinetic has what it takes to keep going all day long. State-of-the-art lithium-ion batteries and regenerative braking that recharges them every time you take your foot off the accelerator gives you a range of up to 80 miles on a single charge. And customizing XP Kinetic to help you do more is fast and easy. 95% compatibility with XP 1000 accessories gives you instant access to industry-leading cab systems, powerful winches, and versatile storage options. There's even a fast-acting electric heater designed exclusively for XP Kinetic to keep you working comfortably when the weather turns cold. Making the jump to electric now means more durability too. Without oil, plugs, filters, or clutches to service, XP Kinetic has the industry's most advanced drivetrain. Fewer moving parts and less required maintenance lowers your cost of ownership, reduces downtime, and gives you the bulletproof confidence of 3-year powertrain coverage and 5-year battery coverage. With XP Kinetic, going electric also means more refined performance, starting with a quieter ride. Whether you're simply trying to hold a conversation, make a stealthy approach to your hunting spot, or just looking for a little more peace and comfort during long work days, XP Kinetic delivers a dramatically quieter off-road experience. Selectable drive modes let you select the power you need for the task at hand. There's an Eco Plus mode to help maximize range, and when you're in a hurry, a Sport mode for instant acceleration. XP Kinetic's refined design also includes an available 7-inch touchscreen display that unlocks the power of ride command. Available range and distance back to your charging station is always visible at a glance. The off-road's most sophisticated GPS system makes it easy to find your way out on the trail, and if you're on foot, it can even help lead you back to where you parked. When you get back home, more refined performance includes filling up. There's no gas or cans to deal with. Electric charging costs less per mile than gasoline. And thanks to the power of ride command, useful info like current battery status and remaining charge time is always at your fingertips. With Ranger XP Kinetic, electric has earned its place at the forefront of off-road utility. Now the world's hardest working people have a revolutionary choice in how jobs get done. Ranger XP Kinetic, the power to do more.